Hello, this video is about missing numbers in the middle. So to find missing numbers in the middle, we can think missing number in the middle, take away after a wiggle. So the most important thing here is how we rewrite the calculation so that it still makes sense, but that we can work with it in an easier way. So the first thing that we want to do is use the bar model and really think about, so 824 take away something equals 197. So that's telling us 824 is the whole number and we're taking away something from it, and then we're going to be left with 197. From this, we can now, because this is familiar to us, we can now rewrite the calculation as a simple subtraction, a straightforward one. 824 minus 197 will leave us with this missing number. So we can use column subtraction here. 824 minus 197. I can see I'm going to need to regroup here. So 4 take away 7, right? I need to regroup two tens. So 1 here, 1 here. 14 take away 7 is 7. 1 take away 9, I need to regroup some hundreds. So I'll keep 7 hundreds here, put 100 into the tens. Now we've got 11 tens. Take away 9 tens, well, the difference between 9 and 11 is 2. And then I have 7, take away 1 equals 6. So I can see my missing number here, or in the question, is 627. Now, the main part where I could have gone wrong here would have been if I had come up with a different calculation here. If instead of 824 minus 197, if I'd have thought, oh, I can add the whole and the parts and say 824 add 197, or make a subtraction that doesn't make sense, like 197 take away 824. So that's the part where we need to be really careful. Let's look at another question. The next question is 542 minus something is 201. So you can see the whole number is 542 minus something is 201. Now, this can show us that we need to start with the biggest number, start with the whole number, 542 minus 201 to find our missing number. But I'm going to look at where it can go wrong. So what if we thought we could add the whole and the parts, and we said 542 add 201. Now, if I forgot what I was doing and I did this and I worked this out, 500 to 200 is 743. So I said, right, okay, 743. Then I put that into my answer. This is where I need to check my answers and think, could 542 minus 743 equal 201? No, we can see that that doesn't make mathematical sense. So we can't use addition here. Also, if we knew it was supposed to be subtraction, but we said, okay, so let's do 201 minus 542. Am I going to be able to complete that? No, because 542 is a bigger number, so I won't be able to subtract that. So now let's solve number 2 correctly. So we already said that we need to put 542 as the whole number, minus something equals 201. So we know that we need to write it as 542 minus 201. We can then use column subtraction to solve it. So 542 minus 201. 2 take away 1 is 1, 4 take away 0 is 4, and 5 take away 2 is 3. So the answer, the missing number, is 341. For number 3, the missing number is in an addition calculation. We have 37 add something equals 618. So here, we're not starting with the whole number, we're starting with one of the parts, 37. Add something, we don't know what, is going to equal the whole number, the biggest number, 618. Now, we can then use this information to create a subtraction calculation. So we'll rewrite it. So instead of 37 add something equals 618, we can say 618 minus 37 equals, and then our missing numbers at the end, which is how we like it, isn't it? So let's do column subtraction. 618 minus 37. So 8 take away 7 is 1. 1 take away 3, we need to regroup the 6. We have 5 hundreds here, and 1 of the hundreds, we've got 11 tens now. 11 take away 3 is 8, and then 5 take away nothing is 5. So we have 581. Let's write that into the top, 581. For number 4, we have 476 add something equals 713. So now let's think, 476. Do we want to rewrite it and say 476 add 713? No. Can we know we need to think, right, it's a subtraction we need to write. So should we say 476 take away 713? Well, no, that won't make sense. Let's have a look. If we put 476 as a part, because we know it's this number, add something, is our missing number here, it's going to equal the whole number 713. Now we can see more clearly that we want to write 713 take away 476 to find the missing number. Let's use column subtraction. So 713 take away 476. 3 take away 6, right, we need to regroup. So we'll have 0 left in the tens and 1 10 here. So we have 13. 13 take away 6 is 7. 0 take away 7, now we need to regroup the hundreds. So keep 6 here, 100 there. So we now have 10 tens. Take away 7 tens is 3 tens. We have 6, take away 4 equals 2. So the missing number is 237.